Maintaining a Vallox Pureo air handling unit. The Vallox Pureo air handling unit must be inspected and maintained regularly. Always disconnect the unit from the mains before inspection and maintenance work. Replace the filters according to the maintenance plan. The filters are of standard size. Make sure the supply and extract air filters are placed correctly. When maintaining a TX or an SX unit, clean the plate heat exchanger and condensing water drip pan according to the maintenance plan. Check that the siphons work. If you are maintaining a Vallox Pureo SR unit, check the condition of the rotor belt. Make sure the damper motor works properly. Finally, check the automation and any error messages. If the unit reports an error, contact an authorized service center.